It is a good day for the markets today, and it's not only good day for the benchmark indices but also for certain sectoral indices. You have pharma index that's gaining for the first time in 4 days. You have the auto index that's gaining for the first time in the 6 days. Also is mid cap index that's gaining for the first time in 6 days. But I'll take you through the stocks that are buzzing or rather moving on back of news flow. And first up is Mindtree. That particular counter is down in trade today, saw its biggest intraday drop since April 1st on back of its Q2 earnings. Analysts say that the revenue growth is much lesser than compared to its peers like Infosys as well as TCS. Also, the reason for the decline in Mindtree's revenue, or rather less growth in Mindtree's revenue growth, is due to its exposure to travel tourism as well as the hospitality segment. They're also saying they've seen a lack of growth in the top client of Mindtree, and that is why the revenue growth has come much lesser than was anticipated. The stock is down for a third straight session, is lost about 11% in the last 5 trading session. Other stock that is in focus today, and that is IDBI Bank, that is up over 9% in trade today on back of ET Now news of break. Government, rather sources have told ET Now that the government has received interministerial feedback for IDBI Bank stake sale, and that the government will seek broad in principle cabinet nod for the stake sale in the lender. And that is why the stock is surging in trade today. The sources have also told ET Now that all options are open for IDBI stake sale, and LIC is keen to divest its stake in the lender as well. The stock is up about 25% in the last 52 weeks. Another counter that is buzzing on back of ET Now news break, and that is Concord. Concord is gaining about 4% in trade today, and government is set to have finalized the revised land licensing policy. Remember, this was a big overhang coming in for Concord's divestment. The sources have told ET Now that the revised land licensing policy will be taken up by the cabinet soon. So some movement should be coming in on that particular front. The sources have also said the government will invite bids for Concord stake sale by November. So that is why the counter is buzzing in trade today. Apart from that, you have the AC makers, the air conditioners, that is buzzing in trade today. So you have government has banned import of air conditioners with refrigerants to cut overseas purchase of the non-essential items, and that is why you have Voltas, Havells, Blue Star all gaining in trade today. And apart from that, you also have the stocks of refrigerant gas makers like Navin Fluorine and Gujarat Fluorochemicals that are also buzzing in trade today. UPL is down most in almost 21 weeks as KPMG has resigned as statutory auditor of its Mauritius arm effective October 8th, and this is in order to reorganize the audit process to improve productivity, and this is at the request of the company. So the company has also clarified that BSR and company continue to carry out the audits of group's consolidated financials. BSR and company is a sub-licensee of KPMG in India. But the stock is down, and it is down for a second straight session. Apart from this, I will talk about other stocks that are set to end the week on a positive note, and that is Just Dial, that is set to see the best week since May 3rd. Apart from that, you have certain counters that are likely to see worst week in months, that is, and that is Vedanta, that's set for a worst week since March 15th. You have Z, that is on track for worst week since June 14th, and Mindtree is on track for the worst week since April 5th. But apart from these stocks, if you look at the market, a good day for us.